Hi guys, this is a quick video to show you how to install your new 4G GPS tracker. It can be used absolutely anywhere. This is a device, it's quite a big device, like a size of a power bank, a small power bank, because the battery inside is extremely big. So you do get the charger. I advise you to charge it for the first 5 hours the first time. This is the SIM card. Again, I advise Vodacom because Vodacom has got the strongest network in South Africa. And you have to download the app, which is POS GPS, which is mentioned on the manual. First things first, put in the SIM card. Well, charge the device and put in the SIM card. How do you put in the SIM card? You see the little flap here? Open it. This is the display board right here, so you know where it is. Up. Yep. There you go. Open the flap. Charge it right over there. On button is right over here, and this is the SIM card slot. How do you install the SIM card? Like this. The metal part should be at the bottom. This is the thickness of the GPS tracker, and the cut part of the SIM is right over here. Put it inside, right over there, and here click. There we go, click. Then switch on the device. How will you know the device is on? You'll see lights flashing over here. So let me put this down. Let me take this and press it till the lights switch on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me try that again, kind of slippery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and presto, the lights are switching on. Red means there's an error, so make sure there's data and airtime in your SIM card. So it's still booting up. You just have to do that once, you don't have to do that ever again. So close the flap, makes it kind of waterproof, water resistant, and now it's trying to find the network. What I advise the first time, once you put in the SIM card, leave it outside for at least 10 minutes. Then call the SIM card that's inside the device. Therefore, it will pick up from the networks and you're sure that it will connect. So I'm just waiting for the light to turn green. Okay, that means it's functioning. Green is solid, that means A-OK. Get into the app, there we go. POS, GPS, whatever. There you go, you log in. Click on it, it goes into the demo mode. Look at the bottom here, login. That means it's not your device. This is a demo device. So click on login, and you will see it's mentioning server. Server is real-time track. Account is exactly this number right over here, which is the IMEI of the device. So that is the account, and the password default is 123456. When you got all those done, do login, and well, there we go. That's where I am, guys. Simple as that. So as this device moves, this will also move. So you can track everything instantly, accurately, without any hassles. So enjoy.